My dear students of class 9, welcome back in the physics class. In this physics class, dear students, I have given a numerical which is based on the law of conservation of momentum from the second chapter, that is force and laws of motion of your physics subject. The question is, a car and a truck of masses 1000 kg and 10,000 kg are moving with 30 meter per second and 90 meter per second in opposite directions on a same straight path. When they collide, the car moves with 40 meter per second. Calculate the final speed of the truck. So in this question there are two objects, both are moving in opposite direction. So the initial velocity of one object is, if positive, then the initial velocity of the second object must be taken negative because they are moving in opposite directions. That's why I have written here for car the initial velocity u1 is 30 meter per second and the initial velocity of the truck, that is u2, as minus 90 meter per second because both the objects are moving in opposite directions. If they were moving in same directions, then we can take both the values as positive. So here the mass of the car is given 1000 kg and that of truck is given 10,000 kg. So we have to write m1 is equal to 1000 kg and m2 equal to 10,000 kg. We have taken car as the first object and truck as the second object. Their velocities are given 30 meter per second and minus 90 meter per second. Minus stands for both the objects are moving in opposite direction. So first case is positive, then the second will be negative. After collision, the car starts moving with 40 meter per second. Then you have to calculate the final velocity of the truck, that is after collision, what is the velocity with which the truck moves. That is v2 is to be calculated. From the law of conservation of momentum, we know that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. That is, total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. Total momentum before collision means total initial momentum. Total momentum after collision means total final momentum. In place of m1, u1, m2, u2, we have to put the values from the above given data. m1 v1 plus m2 v2, again you have to place the value where we have to calculate v2. This 1000 into 30 is 30,000. This one multiplies itself, this one is multiplying with 90, minus 90, so the result is negative. 1000 into 40 is 40,000 plus 10,000 v2. This minus this results, this one is equal to 40,000 plus 10,000 v2. This one minus 40,000 because this 40,000 is transposed to the LHS. That's why its positive sign changes into negative 1. It is equal to 10,000 v2. Now both the data here in LHS are given in negative. That's why we have to add them out with negative sign. So we have added these two one and the minus sign is put before it. It is equal to 10,000 v2. Now here 4 zeros should be cancelled out by these 4 zeros. Then we will get v2 is equal to minus 91 meter per second. So the truck will move with 91 meter per second in the same direction as it was moving earlier. Because initial velocity is negative, means it is moving suppose towards left, then after collision it keep on moving in the left direction. That's why minus sign has come here. So dear students, just have a look on this video, go through the steps and mention this question along with the answer in your fair copy also, so that during examination you will be in a better position to solve the numerical. Thank you.